Hello, well, it's about time I post an update and let you know what's been going on. So a little while ago, I decided to take a whole month off editing videos and posting on YouTube and Instagram. And then after a little bit of a break, I unfortunately crashed my bike. I hurt my foot and I ended up breaking my wrist. So I'm out of action for a few months. I already posted on my Instagram story the details, so I won't go into too much now, but I ended up hitting a picket stake with my foot and then going over the bars, and I ended up landing on my left wrist. I damaged a ligament in my wrist and ended up pulling a small section of bone off my triquetrum. I didn't even know that bone existed up until now, and I think you'll be able to see a little bit detached and floating around on one side of the x-ray. I had plaster on my wrist for a week, and now I'm about a month into having this brace on my wrist, and this means no drumming at all. It's so surprising that such a small injury could be so inconvenient and leave me unable to lift anything for 11 weeks. Anyway, I have some gig footage on my hard drive that I recorded from before the accident, so I'll hopefully throw a few videos together soon and be back with a flurry of videos before the end of the year, and hopefully the launch of my new book after I get all the promo material together. So in the meantime, I've played a few gigs with one hand, and I've got some gig footage of that I'll put up very soon as well. It'll be interesting to see how long it takes me to get back to my normal hand speed and dexterity, and if this will affect me in any way in the long term. Feel free to leave a comment and let me know if you've recovered from any hand or arm injuries and how long it took you to get back into action. Okay, thanks again for the support and for all those who've messaged me on Instagram and Facebook to see how I was, and I'll hopefully see you very soon with a whole heap of new videos. Anyway, peace out. See you later.